Once you change your Facebook name, you have to wait another 60 days to change it again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook name without waiting 60 days. You can see I changed my Facebook name a moment ago, so I have to wait another 60 days. To show you, I will close my Facebook application, I will reopen or I will start from the beginning. So start, open Facebook application. After, tap the hamburger menu. Then either you can tap the setting icon or quickly scroll down and tap settings and privacy. Then open settings. Then you will get this newest version or newest feature of the Facebook Account Center. In here you can manage and change a lot of Facebook settings. So if you don't have this option, go to Play Store or App Store, then you can up to date your Facebook and Messenger and Instagram application. From there, you can change your Facebook name and everything. So to go forward, open Account Center. To change your Facebook name, you have to select the first one, Profiles. Here you have two options, either Facebook or Instagrams. Since we are going to change our Facebook name, so we have to select Facebook. Then you have to select the first one, your name. After, you can see this, the same window that I get earlier. From here, they don't allow to change my name, only they allow to use my previous name. Here, I want to use my previous name. Instead of using my previous name, I want to change it to another name. So what you have to do, you have to tap Learn More option. Here, to go forward or to take the name changing request form, tap Learn More. Then Facebook will redirect to you another window. Here, little bit complicated. You have to listen to me very closely. Here, scroll little bit down until you find change your name or add in additional name. This one. Under that, you can see the first one, how to change your name on Facebook. Select this one. Then you have to select this one. To get the name changing request form, you have to tap the last one. Fill out this form in blue color. I will say again, after tap Learn More, tap changing your name or adding additional name. Under that, tap how to change your name on Facebook. Under that, you will see this option or this feature, fill out this form. I will scroll up a little bit to show everyone like this. Clearly you can see it right now. Fill out this form. Just tap to open the form. This is the form we need. If you can't find this form, don't worry, I will put this form link in the description. You can tap the link, then it will redirect to your browser. Then you can fill out this form. To fill out this form, you have to enter your new first name. Don't enter your last one, enter your new one. After, if you want, you can enter a middle name. Here I don't want enter a middle name. It is optional since we have to enter our new last name. This is my new last name. Then they ask to add a copy of your ID. There are options you can see. You can upload government ID, other identity type of library card, utility bill, like that. If you want to learn more about what are the IDs they accept, you can tap and go to Visit Help Center. Then Facebook has explained in you the ongoing process and what will happen after uploading ID and all these stuffs. Then you have to provide your ID. Select your ID, take a photo of your ID or document, then upload it here. Then you have to enter a contact email. This should be an active email because Facebook team going to reply to this email. After reviewing your request, they will reply to this email. So enter a valid email address that you use. After filling this form, you have to send this form. To send it, tap Send button at the bottom. After sending, you will be redirected to Help Center. Then Facebook will respond you to this request immediately. After a little bit time, when you go back to your Facebook profile and if you refresh it, you can see your new Facebook profile name, as well as if you check your email and if you check your notification section, you can see there is new notification or email. They have mentioned we responded to your name changing request, as well as they change your Facebook name into new name. That's how you can change your Facebook name without waiting 60 days. That's it. Later.